Hi, I'm Steve Cabral, board-certified naturopathic doctor. Thank you for coming to our online store. One of the nice things about my online store is I get to show you exactly what I'm using in my practice in Boston. So one of the things that we use, and one of the things that really everyone should be using, at least in the beginning as they're trying to get their strength back, get their mood back, their mental health, get their energy, all of those different things. One of the biggest things that people overlook is an enzyme. It's a simple formula that allows you to break down your whole food meals better. So we always talk about we should get the majority of our nutrition from whole food. And I'm no different. I completely agree with that. Any naturopathic doctor is going to make that recommendation to you. The problem is this, is that in the beginning, very few people have the digestive strength to break down all of those good foods properly. A lot of people don't know this, but it's hard to break down good quality vegetables, especially if you're eating salads, and a lot of raw foods. So if you're eating those, great. Let's use an enzyme to help break those better. And now, if you're using meat products or animal-based products, you're going to want to, if you're not using any BTNH cells, something like that, at least use an enzyme, something that has digestive enzymes for protein called proteases to better break those things down. So without going too in depth, what I want to do is share with you, it's just very something simple. Every time you have a whole food meal, you take one of these capsules before the meal or at the start to that meal. What it does is it takes all of that food and it makes it into more of a mush inside your stomach. It breaks it down even more. It does that for fats, it does it for proteins, and it does it for carbohydrates. You don't have to know how it works except that it does work. And one of the reasons why this is so important is that over a third of all of your energy goes towards your digestion. If your digestive system is weak, the food stays in there longer, you get more exhausted, and you start to get bloated, or you might get heartburn or gas or any of those specific types of things. It's the simplest place to start. It's just about $1 a day, really easy to use. And what I would say is, when you're looking for a good digestive enzyme, you want a full spectrum. You want things like xylanase, which a lot of people don't have. That helps break down fructans and certain fruit-based molecules that leads to candida overgrowth or small intestinal-based overgrowth. One of the reasons why I chose this formula specifically, why I formulated this and why I really like this product, is that it contains bromelain and it contains papain. So bromelain comes naturally from pineapples. That's going to help with that digestive acid as well from a natural perspective of breaking down proteins. And same with papain, which is coming mainly from papaya. These two great enzymes, in addition to all the other full spectrum ones, are truly going to leave you with a flatter stomach, more energy to keep to yourself, and better overall digestion of your meals.